Look at all those water birds. That's cool. After a good rain in Florida, you get a lot of cool looking water birds. That is so cool. I really like that. It's cool to see water birds. I love animals anyways. One all by itself down there. That is so cool. Right now, yes. Doing as good as I can do. I'm having a better day, a good day today. It's so nice outside. It's sprinkling out just a little bit, but it's all right. But it's okay. That is cool. I love birds. Especially water birds. I like all animals though, because they make me happy. There's the brown one. That's cool. Different species of water bird. Probably a younger one. Probably a baby.